Hey everybody, this is a real quick video. In case you have a JBL Tuner XL wireless Bluetooth speaker, radio, etc., and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. You're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting, in case this speaker is not working for some reason, if it's not responding, if it's frozen, if it's not connecting to your phone, if it's not pairing with Bluetooth. All of these things can very often be fixed with a factory reset. Now, if you can't get it fixed or you decide you want to buy a new speaker, I'll go ahead and put a link in the description to this speaker that I have and that I like a lot. But anyways, the second reason you might want to do this is if for whatever reason you just want to, in one fell swoop, delete the presets, delete the pairing history, clear everything out and get it back to the way it was when it came out of the box so you can set it up basically like new. We can go ahead and do that really simply. We just need to, first of all, turn the speaker on, and then with the speaker is, once the speaker is on, we're just going to find this preset 1, the number 1 preset on the left here, bottom left, and then the Bluetooth button up here. We're just going to press and hold this Bluetooth and preset 1 buttons for simultaneously for more than 10 seconds. And after those 10 seconds or so, the speaker will turn off, and then it will automatically reboot into its factory default settings. You can go ahead and set it up like a new device.